Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Walking toward the North Coast Harbour, you can feel the city opening as the lake breeze starts to kick in. This is where Cleveland truly meets the water, transitioning from the dense architecture of the downtown core to an expansive high-energy waterfront that serves as the city's front porch. This area is a triumph of urban planning, turning what was once a rugged industrial shoreline into a world-class destination for music, science, and lakefront beauty. As the horizon widens, the skyline behind you begins to reflect in the glass of some of the most iconic buildings in the Midwest. The undeniable centerpiece of this walk is the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, designed by the legendary architect I.M. Pei. Its massive glass pyramid looks like it's rising straight out of Lake Erie. It's a bold, geometric statement that perfectly captures the rebellious spirit of the music it celebrates. Right next to it sits the Great Lakes Science Center, a hub of innovation that reminds you of Cleveland's deep roots in engineering and discovery. These buildings aren't just landmarks, they're symbols of the city's pivot from manufacturing powerhouse to a center of culture and knowledge. As you get closer to the harbour, the scale of the North Coast begins to take hold. To one side, you have the massive presence of the Huntington Convention Center and soaring Hilton, while to the other, the harbour itself is bustling with activity. This is where you find the steamship William G. Mather, a retired 618-foot freighter that served as a permanent monument to the massive ships that have navigated these waters for over a century. Seeing that giant hull docked right next to the modern museums gives you a perfect visual of Cleveland's past and present colliding in one spot. The energy here is different than the rest of downtown. It feels airy, optimistic, and connected to the great expanse of the Great Lakes. Whether it's the sight of the Cleveland script sign welcoming visitors or the view of the lake stretching out like an ocean towards the horizon, North Coast Harbour is the city's most dramatic stage. It's a place where the grit of the old world meets the glitter of the new, proving that the land is just as much a coastal city as it is a Midwestern titan. Every step towards the water reveals another layer of the city that has reclaimed its shoreline and turned it into a masterpiece of public space.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.